What I'm doing is keeping myself fit, exercising my body, staying like outdoors, doing some exercise makes you to stay healthy, to live a good life. Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. At this moment, I'm from the house and I'm just outside strolling around to exercise, just walking. Yeah. So I'm not alone. I am with my son here, Dylan. Dylan, say hi to the people. Say hi. He doesn't know how to talk. And also I have Violet Carl.
Hello guys, my name is Violet Carl and I'm with Roland Felix. So guys, we are strolling around this place. So yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Let me show you around how the place looks like. And tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this place? Is it worth living?
Akitoka msikitini afikirie kondo zake.
I have walked and walked and walked. Now it's time to relax, just cool down. What I'm doing is keeping myself fit, exercising my body, staying like outdoors, doing some exercise makes you to stay healthy, to live a good life. Yes. So guys, let's rest for a while, then we'll continue with the journey. Keep it here. 2024, guys, I used to just stay indoors or in the office without making a lot of exercise. This year 2025, I want to start by walking around, doing some exercise, riding my bike, and so much more. So guys, what do you do during your free time? Do you read your books or just go out and do some exercise to keep yourself fit? What do you do? Tell me in the comment section. Kuja. So this place was bare land, and the government came to do some extraction of the soil. As you can see, a lot of soil has been extracted here. So where I am basically is a hill, and the government is trying to make this place flat land by removing this hill soil to make it a place that they can construct houses, cheap houses, affordable housing. So guys, let's walk around and see what exactly is here. The sun now is setting. The sun is setting. But it looks like it's this is a coral rock. Looks like a coral rock. Yeah, this is not mineral. This is a rock. Because I can see also these corals. Yeah, coral. after hours of walking around, now it's time to go back home. And my son has been playing all that long time. Let me tell him to go home. Tuone venye atasema. Twende. Twende. Let's go home. Let's go.